Yeah, from there. Wrap them in about 3 times. This goes on there. I don't know what size that is, what they call it, but we've got a bigger one on this side which goes into our 20mm black pipe and the fittings there on the hatch, right? Took some working out because they've got about 3 different sizes for water coming out there. So I thought that. Let's put our hand on the inside.
So, by you, I had a slight problem when I was tightening this up. The cylinder inside then, the system was turning slightly, and I wasn't really happy with that, with carrying on turning it. So, as you can see, I'm playing about with the top plastic nut, tightening that up. But that cylinder there, the whole thing was moving. So in the end, I put my hand right down inside it, and I held it as tight as I could before I could tighten it up.
I don't like that still in there. That's tight in there. Right, I got my hand up actually on that pipe going up, okay, and holding it steady. Can't see that turning now. No. There we go. Right. That's fully up to there now. That's fine. Right. So that's done. Just set up the fittings in there. Yeah. That's my next plan, but that's my next plan. I can see 2 holes at the bottom here, which goes down there. Come on, there. That's it. Blue.
I quickly wiped that off before the missus sees it. She'd have shouted at me for stuff like that.
So what does it come with?
That's what's left. That's the base.
Oh, that's where we screw from the side.
That's the screw from the side. That's the rest of it.
That's the other one then.
That's the other one, yeah.
That's going to be at the bottom.
Look to it in the bottom.
That was that.
And that's that.
That's the flusher. So I'll do these then. There you go. I can't see it. Ah, right, I see. Is that big black rubber thing?
Tricky.
Put in there with that, I think. Goes on there. I'll do the other one. Does the same instructions? I think I got it. I think I get it going down. Rubber, washer, and then butterfly. So that's the sequence. So rubber's on the porcelain at all times. Good luck in there. Now we just put the rubber on, and when you tighten these, we'll push down on tight, and you dig down. Dig down through there.
That's in there.
Yeah, so with them bolts, we just go straight down through. We worked it out. The instructions weren't very good at all. We couldn't really work it out, but we made sure that the rubber was touching the porcelain at the top, and then the rubber at the bottom then was touching the porcelain, and then the black rubber, which is in the middle of the toilet, which we just put on previous, that went in the middle. So theoretically there is no porcelain on porcelain at all there, touching, so it doesn't rub and possibly crack, I suppose.
Down to certain peaks. Not really weeks. So you need it metal up against that then, is it?
I don't know if I can. Like this. Huh. It's broke up inside there. Cheap shit, like.
Oh, that bad, yeah.
Yeah.
Stop putting things up.
Finds the wall.
Thing is, in the last video, that's the trouble. Put another one on.
Huh?
Put another one as well.
You gonna do another one?
Yeah, bath.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, all away. Go.
Not bad.
It's a fucking battery now, isn't it?
So yeah, we had a hell trying to drill this hole. It's just one clay block and probably 50 to 75 mil of screed on top of that. As we was looking up through with the camera and things like that, we couldn't see any metal we drilled through. We took that to a 14 mil drill bit, which flew through, and then that 24 mil bit was, well, to be honest, it was useless. The end of it broke in the drill, was smashing up, and later on it actually snapped off just by doing one drill bit. But we got it through. Now we are just sorting the pipe work out now from the flexi to the 22 mil black pipe system they have out in there. Sorry, I meant 20 mil black pipe it is. It's used in irrigation a lot, but you can use it for plumbing as well. It was more of a not quick fit like we got here, but you know, it's all done by hand and hand tightened. As you can see, me and Martin working it out there now. It does work quite well.
Right way now. This is where I was fucking up in there. Joanne's here. Come down and show me.
Yeah, putting them down here. That's clipping in, yeah, when the rubber's below it, yeah. Move loud now for the bits going in.
There's a rubber there. I haven't got a rubber in this one.
The other side.
Oh God. Rubber's in there.
Yeah.
Well, what do I have?
You didn't.
No, you put that up on over the thing, don't you?
Yeah. Right. That goes in and down now.
Right, so we should move this into place now and push it down now.
Did you allow the extra on it? It looks quite short.
It's more than enough,
Right.
Right.
Right. Did you take that white piece out? When you pull that pipe out, did you get the flexi bit that was down?
Yeah,
there?
I've done all that tidy
Push it
now.
on,
Yeah.
yeah.
All back off, put it all back in.
So it's open on that. So I need to come up and over the toilet and put them back on.
I think get it started. I can help it. Hang on. I still don't want to go. Don't want to go down in the man.
Hang on. Huh?
You still don't want to go down in there?
Yeah, so we had loads of trouble just getting that 20mm pipe down through that hole we drilled, but it's supposed to be 24mm. What happened with that drill bit, I don't know. If it hit a bit of metal and it was like a bit of a bend in it where it touched metal and it didn't drill square, and that's why it all snapped in the drill. But it was a hell to get a 20mm pipe through a 24mm hole. So
How fast it going in? Put your finger on. Finger in far, is it?
Just that rich bit air in it.
So just after this, the GoPro did end. The battery ran out again, but we did manage to get it down through and just connected into a T below, and it was done and finished. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll get some better videos out for you, because we do get the mics working quite soon.